Real Property Management of Sarasota Manatee. We have a half a duplex for rent. It's got a one-car garage, as you can see. This is Villa Franca, name of the street. Nice neighborhood. And Villa Franca is right off of Bee Ridge. That's Bee Ridge at the end there. And Tuttle is one block over to the west. So you get the area. This is a one bedroom plus a den, one bath, one car garage, half a duplex rental with a private backyard. First thing you see is everything's newer, fresh, clean. Paint, carpet, blinds. This is a good property. All of the appliances that you'll need, nice cabinets, little patio area, and your backyard. Fenced. Goes around the side of the house. Good size yard, very good size yard. Now this room, we can't call it a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet. So this is the den. So it's a one bedroom, one bath with a den. Could you set it up as a bedroom? Sure could. Absolutely no problem with that. And here's the bedroom. Good size room. As you can see, we got a big mirrored closet door and a big closet space. Little linen closet here, and got a full bath with a tub. Can't beat the pink tub, right? Bathroom's in good shape. The whole house is in good shape. I really like this one-car garage. If you don't need to park your car inside, you got this extra storage room. Plus you got a big in-unit laundry, some shelving. So again, this is a nice property. And take you out to this side yard area. So there you have it, Villa Franca in Sarasota. One bedroom plus den, one bath, half duplex rental. Sarasota, Florida, Bee Ridge and Tuttle area. Private backyard. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee, 941-225-8183. Have a fantastic day. God bless.